In this video, I will show you how to make this super cute DIY notebooks. So let's start. To make this notebook, I use print paper. You can easily find this paper in any stationery store. I use 20 sheets. While folding them, they become 40 sheets. This notebook have total 40 sheets. Make sure all the pages are equal to keep the notebook neat and mess free. Now apply glue on the left side of the notebook and stick all the pages together neatly. After sticking them well, let's move on to the cover. To make the cover, I use my old notebook cover since this is my rough notebook, so it is full of random stuff and look a little bit messy. Anyways, to make the cover, take the proper measurement for the cover. Now cover it with the white paper and stick it neatly to the notebook. After this, I use a paper in which I made a cute design for the front. Finally, attach it to the notebook cover. Do same with others. And it's done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more easy and fun DIY ideas. See you in the next video. Bye bye.